Hey everybody! I'm stopping between things because Greg is drilling under the house. We're installing a sink in the mudroom. Yay! So I just wanted to show you a few things besides this lovely painting that is so gorgeous. Look at that shine. That is not resin, it's varnish. I've been participating in a plein air event in the state of North Carolina. You get to choose the spots you want to go to and paint outdoors. This was one. So this lovely is going to be for sale. It was done at a botanical nursery area in Garner where I live. And I don't know if you can guess where this one was painted, but it was actually painted in my backyard. It's the palm tree plant, the banana leaf plants, and hydrangeas in my backyard. I painted it outdoors, I sure did. So that is also in Garner, North Carolina. And I'll be doing one more that will be at Lake Benson Park, which is in the local Garner area. So I'll be posting maybe pictures at the end of this video. I've added a few things to my Etsy store. There's a set of lovely, these are glass coasters that are resined, and they have the bloom technique. They're metallic, really, really pretty. Purples and oranges and reds and golds and a little bit of black. So anyway, those are in my Etsy store. And here's one that I love the colors on, another set. It's just, they're both just sets of two. And if you can see those lovely metallics. So those are also in the Etsy store. This is also a set of 4 coasters I have painted. They're hand painted and resined over. So they are heat resistant up to 500 degrees. And just trying to show you this shimmer. These are in my Etsy store as well. There they are. So they're available too. Don't forget, I have added Lion Pride on metallic luster paper. That is in my Etsy store as well. He is gorgeous. This is 12 by 15. And I've also added the 12 by 15 print of the draped flowers. This is in my Etsy shop as well. Can you tell? I got my hair cut. I did it myself. I have not been to get a haircut, and it is like, I'm getting so tired of this mess, so I cut it myself. It will have to be trimmed up, and I need a little, to get rid of a little bit of that gray, so I still need to go to the salon. But anyway, I want to also show you, I just finished another tutorial. So in my tutorial platform, classes are $35 and you have lifetime access to it. And with any purchase of a class, you always have lifetime access if you do the monthly, the 6-month, or the annual subscription. You have access to all of my classes, all. So you can start any one that you want, and if you decide to leave at any point, you can. You will only have access to the ones that you started during your membership. So, you know, you can join as a member, but if you leave, you don't have access to everything for a lifetime just after being in it for a few months. But any class that you start, you do have a lifetime access to. And I try to send you a free print for joining and taking a class, and the bonus is you get a free painting from me up to $150. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to learn how to paint. And when I get to 75,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I'm going to give away a free painting of your choice, $150 value. It can be an existing painting or one that I do specifically and custom for you. So here is my class that I just finished. It's called Bird of Paradise. It's very vivid, kind of abstractish. You get a printable. This is where you trace it onto your canvas, so you don't have to know how to paint or draw. And I give you a materials list, so you'll have the things that you can do from home and paint your own piece. And have friends over and have a little paint party. Your family, whatever. You can do it however you want to. And I'm hoping you'll check out the class. So, anything else that I want to announce? Let me just think. I remembered the one last thing I wanted to mention in the video. Don't forget to go to my Facebook group, and at the top of my Facebook group in the first announcement, Counterculture is given away. Hey, Harley. Free 32-ounce kits to 3 people. They're artist resin, medium viscosity, which I absolutely love. That's what I've been using for all the coasters and everything. It's heat resistant to 500 degrees. It's easy to work with. You have about 30 minutes working time, and it sets up in 4 to 6 hours, which I love that aspect of it. So you have a specific link in that announcement on my Facebook group that will take you to a Google form, and it is done through Counterculture. I'm not doing the giveaway, Counterculture is, so make sure to check it out, okay? Good luck. The contest ends Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So good luck, and the winners will be chosen Monday by Counterculture. I can't wait to see who wins. I think that's it for now. So I hope y'all are having a great weekend, and be safe. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.